Galatia, sa Turkey. And then pumunta sila sa Samothrace. And then dito sa Neapolis. Yung Neapolis na sinasabi diyan sa Kabala Port. So, doon sila dumaong sina Silas at saka si Paul for their second missionary journey. Yes. So pagkagaling nila sa port ng Kabala or Neapolis noon, sa Biblia Neapolis pa yung nakalagay. Pero ngayon Kabala na, Port of Kabala. Sa Acts chapter 16. Okay, so basahin natin sa Acts chapter 16. Yes. Buhat. Yun. So, pero sasabihin ko yung 16 whole chapter. Oo.
Whole chapter yun, whole chapter yun.
Basahin ko the whole. Sana yung parko. Sorry, hindi. Kailangan ko yung eyeglasses.
Kasi walang kwenta yung stock, yung lugar kung hindi
wala.
Oo nga.
Tama.
So ito, second missionary journey sina Paul at Silas. So as I told you kanina, galing sila sa Turkey, and then pumunta sila sa Samothrace, and then pumunta sila dito sa Neapolis. Sabi dito, Paul came to Derbe and then Lystra, where disciple named Timothy lived, whose mother was Jewish and believers. Yan, marami sinasabi dito. As they traveled from town to town, they delivered the decision reached by the apostles and elders for the people to obey. For the churches were strengthened in the faith and grew daily numbers. Okay, so maraming gustong puntahan sina Paul at saka si Silas, pero the Holy Spirit cannot allow them. So dito may vision na ipinakita ang Panginoon kay Paul, kaya napunta sila dito sa Macedonia. Sinasabing Macedonia, this is the Macedonia region. Dito sa the whole place na ito. So yung city nila is Thessaloniki. Okay? And then Paul and his companion traveled throughout the region of Phrygia, Galatia, yan doon sa Turkey yun, have been kept by the Holy Spirit from preaching the word in the province of Asia. Hindi daw inalaw. When they come to the border of Mysia, hindi rin, hanggang sa may vision siya. A man of Macedonia is standing and begging him, come over to Macedonia and help us, sabi. And then after Paul had seen the vision, they got ready at once to leave for Macedonia. Ayan, dito na.
Dito na siya.
So from Troas, sabi dito, from Troas, we put out in Saint-Charles to the Samothrace. And the next day, we went to Neapolis. Ayan, yan na yung Neapolis, sabi ko. Ngayon is Kabala. From there, we traveled to Philippi. Ayan, dito na. Yeah. A Roman colony in the leading city of that district of Macedonia during the time of Roman Empire. And they stayed here for several days. On the Sabbath, we went, sabi ni Luke, kasi siya ang sumulat dito sa Book of Acts. So sabi niya, on the Sabbath, we went outside the city gate to the river. Ayun, yun na. Yung kay Lydia, where we expected to find a place of prayer. So alam nila na mayroong place of prayer doon. So we sat down and began to speak to the woman who had gathered there. So mga babae. One of those listening was a woman from the city of Thyatira named Lydia, a dealer in purple of cloth. She was a worshiper of God, and the Lord opened her heart to respond.